Welcome back, guys, and in this video we're going to be creating this photo manipulation right here with Pixellab. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So the link to the PLP file will be in the description box below, and maybe I'll also give you a link to the raw file as well, since some of you have been having issues with PLP file. But anyways, let's jump right into it. So the first thing which you want to do is just I'll leave the image size of the ketchup just like this, so you guys will be able to get that the same, so there's no need to increase the size. So first thing first is, you see I didn't disable most of my layers. This manipulation is actually an easy one. So you can see the table drive here, which is this. Just increase the size, then drag it all the way to the down area here. I'm really sorry about my voice. Then drag it all the way to the down area here, then place it to the back. Then let me just lock the layer for this first. Lock the layer for, where is it? Lock the layer for this. Then I'll enable my shadow. You can see the shadow is here. It's being PLP file as well. So just place it around here, place it to the back, place the wood, bring the shadow to the top of the wood. The shadow should be in front of the wood. Yes, now this is it. So I think I'll take the shadow up a little bit. I'm going to take the shadow up a little bit. So I'll just take the shadow up a little bit. I'll set that at that, and then I enable my background, which is this. Okay, just increase the size of this till it comes out from the page. Then place it to the back, back. Place it to the back, so you can see, place it to the back is something like this. Place it to the back is something like this. Then once that is placed to the back, you have this this background, second background will be in your in the PLP file. So this is it. Just reduce the opacity to 3. Okay, I think it didn't really show, but anyways, let me just show you guys what I did here. Where's the erase tool? So you can see this is the erase tool. Let me just undo this. So I'll just erase some area from this design, which is the downside. I'll erase the downside and the top. I'll erase the downside and the top. So that is just that. So it's not a must, but increase the size to and place it here. Increase the opacity to 3. Okay, this is it. I'll lock the layer now. Okay, it's locked already. So from our design now, we have done the background section. Now let's do the next part of the background section. So this is the element which I use there. This one is in the PLP file already. Increase the size as well. Let it come out from the page. Just increase the size. It's not. Let me just hold this. Increase so you can see. I just increase the size till it came out from the page. Then centralize this. Then where is, go to erase. Increase this section here, increase this one as well, then erase. Just hold on, erase all this, erase it to this, to get to this down curve. Is this down curve we're using? This down curve that we're using. Let me just erase all these ones at the top first. So erase this. Just keep on erasing. Just keep on erasing. Okay, now trace it. Try tracing it perfectly. Just take your time and keep on tracing. Don't rush. Okay. Yeah, I think this is it. You can still go ahead to if you want to make it perfect, but I think there's no point because it won't be really visible as you've seen from the main design. So, but there's nothing you can actually do. If you want to just be visible, you can just do that by moving this element, this background, just erase a little bit to the top. Okay, this is it. I'll click on the check mark icon button so you can see we have this here. But let me put it to front. Where is it? Okay, it's already at the front. Okay, sorry. So you see, so you can even, if you want to resize it back, you can resize it, but I actually didn't do that. So you can see, just increase it till it comes out from the page. Increase this. Okay, this is okay, and I'll place it down there. Like I said, it's all invisible in the design. So let me see my design again and see what is left. Okay, yes. So you duplicate your shadow now. Where's your shadow? Scroll down, look for your shadow. Duplicate your shadow, copy it, increase the size, place it here, just like the edge of the wood. Place it there so it can blend well. Place it there, copy it again, place it on the second side. If you watch some of my manipulation tutorials, you should know that I've done this before. So what you're going to do is to place this, okay, place this background, which is the down curve at the front of, yes, exactly. Now let's move the two shadows to the let's move them down a little bit. So I'll just click on this icon down here. I'll select the two shadows. Once I select the two shadows, I'll click on the second icon down here. I'll click on the relative move tool, and then I'll move this. Okay, I think it's too much. I'll just move this. It's okay, but anyways, it's going to cover a shot. So let me move my main design to the front and see what is left. Okay, I've placed my main design to the front. So once I've placed that to the front, next is my tomato, which is this. So which is this one here. Okay, let me disable this, which is this one here. Okay, the move this your shadows. You see that touching the tomato, move this your shadows to the back first. Then move it to this back, and then move it to the front of the wood. Yes, to the front of the wood. Yes, to the front of the wood. Yes, exactly like that. So I think the shadow are a bit still touching the top. Let's bring the two shadows down a little bit. Bring these two shadows to the down a little bit. Click on the second icon. Click on the move tool. Bring them down. Bring them down. Bring them down. Bring them down. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So the tomato size is 3316. So once you've done that, just position it to somewhere here. As you can see, just position it to somewhere here. It's okay. Position it to somewhere here. So this one is a clear one, a clear tomato PNG. The second one that will be at the back is the blood tomato PNG. So let me just enable it so you can see it's the blood one. See the difference is the blood one. So let me put it, okay, sorry, to the front. So you can see this is blood, and the size is 3215. This one was 3315. So I'll place it here, and I'll put it to the back, only to the back of the ketchup, just the back of the ketchup. I'll move it up till it gets to the back of the ketchup. Yes, so I can reposition this a little bit to the top. Yes, so just make it balance. So let's see what we have again from our design. Okay, the top of this let me just do this. Oh, sorry. Okay, so select this down curve, which you did. Select the down curve, duplicate it, copy, go to 3D rotate and click on x-axis. Increase the x-axis all the way to 180, so it will move to the top. Yes, I'll select it. It's selected, right? Then I'll push it. Just push it to balance. Yes, push it. I'm pushing to the left, so I think this is okay. I'll push it to the top again. I didn't really bring this down. I'll push it to the top again. To the top. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Yes, it's okay like this. Let me lock the layer now. Let me lock it. See, the manipulation is not hard, but it actually took me a lot of time. But anyways, so this is it. So let me see. Let's see. Just hold on real quick. So you might be surprised I said this is it. If you're watching some of my manipulation videos, you should already know that I don't do. You guys are going to add all these elements which can be added by yourself. But let me just walk you through on how I did that. So before I forget this, let me add this font here. So you can see there's a Heinz tomato at the down section that is touching the land. So the font is okay, I can't remember the font name, but anyways, the font will be in the PLP file. The font is going to be in the PLP file. So once you would, let me tell you the font size. You just write Heinz tomato ketchup. The font size is 40. The I rotated it. Where is 3D? Is it 3D rotate I use? Yes, 3D rotate. The x-axis is 65, so you can see it. X-axis is 65. Take a look at the distance there. The font 65. I'll just move it to 65. 65. Okay, 65. And the opacity is, I reduce the opacity, is a white color. Opacity is 17. So duplicate it and put it in the left side as well. So which is this. So this is it. So you can make use of the alignment tool, which is this. Just put it there to align them with each other so you can see it. So this is what I did for this section here. It's when I edited it that it's actually made this pop. If you've got my Lightroom course, then you'll know that you know how to actually do that better, or you can watch some of my videos right here on YouTube to learn how to edit this. But anyways, that is that for that section. So let me enable my main design back and see what is left. So let's work on the, once again, I'm sorry about my voice. So let's work on the down section here, which is the just this minor leaves that you're seeing. So starting with the tomato, which is here, where is this one? So you guys already know you guys can do this by yourself. So this is what I did. Duplicated this, copy it. It's already blood. Copy it. Let me see for my main design whether this was rotated. Okay, yes, this was, let me see, okay, this was just position here. So I'll disable this, rotate. This is, I think I should even leave this like this. You guys are going to figure this out yourself. This is now, just place it anyhow you want to place this. Let me see from the design again. Okay, yeah, this is something that you guys can do yourself. So it's just something like this, place it the way you want. Then the leaves which you guys are seeing there too, I think is, you guys are going to do that yourself. Where is it? Where are the leaves? Let me position to this front, to the front, to the front. So this is it. So you can see, okay, this one is not in the front. The leaves are not in the front. The leaves are in the back of the tomato. The leaves are at the back of the tomatoes. So I'll just keep them here, keep them here, and keep them here. So I'm not doing anything again on the leaves for you. You guys are going to fix that yourself. Like I said, this down part, you are going to fix it yourself. It's something that is not hard. It just depends on you, how you want to position it, how you want to set it. Even the tomatoes, I'm not supposed to do that, but anyways, let me just leave that at that. So the next thing you do is to click on the shape. Just extend this, it comes out from the page. Select the gradient, then click on the plus icon. This first side should be black. This first side there should be black. This second side there should be transparent. Move this to the transparent section, the top slider. Move this to the middle. Move this to the middle, click on OK. Then put this to the down side here. To down, yes. You can move it up a little bit. Click on OK. Copy it. Do the same for down, but it shouldn't be so black so the tomatoes can still show. Move it down a little bit. Move it down a little bit. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, once that is done, let's see what we have next. Let me lock the layer. So once again, I'm sorry concerning my voice. Let me lock the layer. Okay, I've locked that. Let me enable it again. So now it's time to add our, okay, let me just add a little stuff before I actually forget. So this is not even visible, but anyways, where's okay, you select a shape, a circle shape. Then once you select a circle shape, go to gradient. The same way we did the transparent section for this, click on the transparent one, click on colors, just any colors here, move this slider to the ending here. Then for this section here, the color we picked was, see the color is code at the top here. You can see the color is code at the top. They just do that to write that, and okay, then okay, you get something like this. So you just increase the size and put it close to the ketchup. I think this is okay here. Okay, this is okay. Yes, I copied it and kept it somewhere close to here as well. It's two ketchup that are here. That's why it's actually glowing. Let me delete the other one. Where is this? Just hold on real quick, guys. Okay, this is it. So you can see this is it. The second one was duplicated, and it's just you write somewhere here. So just like this, under this label that's at the top, just somewhere there. So if it's overglowing, push it away from the ketchup a little bit, just push it away. So I'm pushing this to the left, and I'll push this one that is at the right here, this one here. Yes, I'll push it to the right. So I think this is okay. Okay, after this, just hold on, let me, where's my main design? So okay, yeah. So after this, you guys are going to import these birds and everything yourself. So they are actually simple to do. So you just have to pick it. Don't worry, they'll be in the PLP file. So all you need to do is to just select that. So let me just show you guys mine. Where is, okay, let me just enable the layer rather. I'll just enable the layer for all these. I don't think that's all. Okay, I think one is missing. Let me just look for that real quick and enable the layers. Yeah, just enable the layers for all these birds and then fix them there. So you can see. So you can see the this are not, all you need to do is to reduce the size to your own taste. Don't worry, the PLP file will be selected, but for the helicopters, it's actually one PNG. But in one PNG, you get access to, let me copy it. Copy this. Click on, sorry, just hold on real quick. Let me show you how you can work for the helicopters image. So once an helicopter image is selected, click on crop. So you can see there are 4 here. So I use this one at the top, 1, 2, and 3. So this is it. So this is it. So you can see from the main design, right here, and you can see from the one which we have here. So you might be wondering why they're a bit different. So like I said, this one was actually edited with the help of Lightroom. So let me just confirm real quick to see if this is what we have. So yes, this is it. This is what we have. This is what we have from the down section to the ketchup to the font to the birds. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So there's no, this wasn't really hard, but it actually took a while to create this. But anyways, this is it. So it's been a while I created some manipulation videos, so I'm sorry if my voice actually sounds like this, but anyways, this is how you can create this product manipulation with the help of Pixellab. So once again, do also edit it with your own software, be it Pixellab or sorry, be it Snapseed or Lightroom or PixArt. Just edit it till it comes out nice. So it's not a must if you add lens flare, but the lens flare, I added lens flare, but it didn't really show like that. So it's not a must. It will still come out great if you know how to edit very well. So this is how you can actually create this product manipulation with the help of Pixellab. So that's all for that for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.